Coconut rice, Thengai Sadam. A delicious South Indian vegetarian dishes recipe. This recipe serves to 2-3 servings. Preparation takes about 15 minutes. And cooking takes around 15 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 cups cooked rice, 2-3 tablespoons coconut oil or sesame oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon Chana Dal, 1 to 2 sprigs curry leaves, 2-3 dried red chillies, a quarter teaspoon Asafoetida, 10 to 12 cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons peanuts. Step 1. Heat the coconut oil or sesame oil in a large pan or kadai over medium heat. Step 2. Add mustard seeds and let them splutter. Step 3. Add Urad Dal and Chana Dal. Fry until they turn golden brown. Step 4. Add the dried red chillies, curry leaves, and Asafoetida. Saute for a few seconds until fragrant. Step 5. If using, add cashew nuts and peanuts and fry until they are golden brown and crunchy. Step 6. Reduce the heat to low and add the freshly grated coconut. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes, being careful not to brown it. Step 7. Add the cooked and cooled rice to the pan. Season with salt to taste. Step 8. Gently mix everything together until the rice is well coated with the tempering and coconut. Do not overmix, as it can break the rice grains. Step 9. Cook on low heat for another 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally to allow the flavors to meld. Step 10. Serve hot or at room temperature. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.